DPLS stock, Darkpulse Inc. For the session of the 15th of November 2021, it closed at $0.1193, a gain of 32.57%, 63.1 million shares cut to tape, which was above average. There isn't really any news as such. It's just that we have a couple of disclosures there. We have this indicating that there is a 6% redeemable note, and it will not be registered with the SEC for some time, I think. And it's for $2 million. And then there's also this disclosure there, the financing they've been talking about from GHS Investment LLC, a equity finance agreement. I think that brings in $30 million and so something like that for the company. I think that's pretty much the only formal official news concerning Darkpulse. So we can see what happened here. The underlying trend for this last session was, strongly bullish. The market opened and the stock, was off. Yes, by the time the market opened, it was up off the gates, doing well. Moved sideways for a couple of hours. Moved sideways, it's up till 2 p.m., up close to 2 p.m. Eastern US time, and then suddenly spiked again, moved sideways, and then just about 10 minutes before the session closed, or rather 16 minutes before the session closed, it spiked again. Spiked, and you can see this. It looks like a spike, graphically, it looks like a spike, even though it may not be a lot as such. But the angle of attack was a steep one, going from 0.11, going from 0.109 to what was that? Gained $0.01. That was pretty much a huge spike. All in all, notice that stock gained 32%. So this, amongst other things, contributed to that. But at the same time, it retraced. Interestingly, just slightly below its 10-day moving average, and then again even spiked further, and then pulled back slightly. This is just what happened in that session alone. And if you have to have a look at what has happened over the last 5 days. From Monday the 8th of September, I believe, yes, to yesterday the 15th. See what happened. Pretty much up till, when was that? Up till sometime, yes, up to yesterday, up to Friday the 12th of November. Everything was just flat on this weekly chart, and then suddenly yesterday it spiked. So it has cost the stock to on this 5-day chart to have a very steep angle of attack. You can see all of them, all the especially the short-term moving averages. They're all inclining steeply. Even this 50-day moving average still has a steep angle of attack. So all in all, what can we say about what's going on with DPLS? Okay, so I think we have to just return to the 1 day while we look at the daily chart. You can see what's going on here. The underlying trend is still a bullish one. The stock, of late has been doing well, pulled back just somewhere above the 200-day moving average and didn't retrace any further. So what we have also is on this daily chart, momentum is looking strongly bullish. Unbalanced volume indicator is also strongly bullish, I believe. But of late, yes, the stock has not, the accumulation distribution is not reflecting a lot. Let's expand it and see what's going on there. Yeah, it's not so wonderful. It hasn't been so wonderful of late. It's just this rally that occurred today that may have caused it to begin to look up. You can see that it was on a downward trend. People were not really buying. So let's see whether it's what happened today that is behind this rally, behind this gain on the accumulation. Yes, it's probably behind that. Let's see. Let's also bring it back to let's see whether it's exactly what's behind it. Absolutely, that is what it's behind it. It's just people just suddenly began to accumulate the shares of late, and indeed, yes, it was above average volume. But Outside that, all that sideways movement it had for the last 1 week ensured that a lot of market participants took money off the stock, but now they are coming back. So let's have a look and see the price range where we are looking at here. Okay, for the last 10 trading sessions, it is not trading within that within the one standard deviation trading range, and also with the 20-day and the 50-day, it's not trading within any of these one standard deviation trading ranges. It's trading above them, obviously, because of this gain that happened. I believe as at Friday the 12th, it may have been trading maybe within this 10-day one standard deviation trading range. So this is just a validation that the stock has extended now and is on a bullish push. But is there any chance that it's going to retrace? There's every chance it might retrace. So just be aware of that and expect that. So we have a price target of $0.13 for this week. It may exceed it, in just one session. It may exceed it, but that's our price target. But we'll continue to update you concerning DPLS, and yes, we'll continue to update you. The underlying trend, is still strongly bullish, but it's also lagging the S&P 500. Momentum strongly bullish as investors begin to pay high prices for DPLS stock. Okay, the volume for this session was lighter than usual, trading 63.1 to 63.102 million shares versus an average of 126.476 million shares. Okay, the unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer term selling pressure has given way to near term accumulation. Absolutely, that's what we noticed from that accumulation and distribution chart here. So yes, selling pressure has given way to accumulation right now as things stand. So see what you make of DPLS stock, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.